Hello, my name is Kenzo, and in this video, you will acquire English naturally by watching, listening, and following along as I play Minecraft Hardcore. Today is day 242. Day 242. And as usual, I'm going to start this video by saying thank you to the supporters of this channel. During my last live stream, I added some flags to the supporter wall. I added the flag of China, Ukraine, the Czech Republic, Germany, Canada, and Denmark. And I have 2 more flags to add to the wall. There's some zombies by my wall. Die zombie. Die zombie. I killed the zombies. I still need to add the flags for Italy, Spain, and South Korea. In my inventory, I have the South Korean and Spanish flags. I don't have the Italian flag yet because I need some green dye. I need to find a cactus to make green dye. But right now I'm going to add these 2 flags. I'll get my diamond shovel and I'll dig up some of this dirt. Okay, I got a bunch of dirt. I'll take some dirt and I'll use the dirt to build upward. Up. Here at the top, I'll place the flags. I'll start with the South Korean flag and then I'll place the Spanish flag. South Korea, Spain. All right, we've added South Korea. Shout out to Park Jiho in South Korea. And we've added Spain. Shout out to Mario Molina. And I've also added 1 new sign to the wall. Down here, I've added Kaylin from China. Big thank you to Kaylin for watching my videos and supporting this channel. And thank you to everyone else on my supporter wall. You guys help keep this channel going. And if you would like your name added to the supporter wall, you could make a donation on my Ko-Fi page. All right, it's nighttime. Let's go back home and sleep. And sleep. I'm sleeping in my red bed. And it's morning. I'm going to take my bundle and I'm going to turn this bundle yellow using my yellow dye. There we go. I'll turn this bundle red and this bundle I'll turn blue. There we go. Now I have red, yellow, and blue bundles. During my last live stream, I found a bunch of ore and I put it in these bundles. Iron ore, lapis lazuli ore. I'm going to take all of my ore and I'm going to place it. I'll place it all on the ground right here, like this. All right, I've placed all of the ore that I found during my last live stream. Now I'm going to take this iron pickaxe and look at this. I'm going to put this iron pickaxe in the enchanting table. The level 3 enchantment is Fortune 3. Fortune 3 is the best fortune enchantment. Right now, I have a pickaxe in this chest that has Fortune 2. I'm going to remove the Fortune 2 enchantment from this pickaxe, and I'm going to upgrade it to Fortune 3. I'll go to the grindstone, and I'll put this Fortune 2 pickaxe in the grindstone to disenchant it. There we go. Now I need to get up to level 30. Right now I'm level 27, so I need 3 more experience levels. I'll go wait at my XP farm. I'm swimming up the waterfall. All right, I've made it to the XP farm. Now I'll wait. I'll wait for monsters to fall. Die, monsters. Die. There we go, we've reached level 28. Look at all that ore I found. That's a lot of iron. There we go, level 29. Just 1 more level. Oh, One more monster. I need to wait for one more monster to fall. Oh, there it is. Die, skeleton. And level 30. I'm going to jump down. Jump! And I'll get back on my raft. Alright, and I'll paddle home. By the way, if you're enjoying these videos, and if you'd like to practice speaking English with me directly, you could book a call with me on Google Meet or Tencent Meetings by clicking up here. A wandering trader. Do you have a cactus? Nope, no cactus. Ooh! A pale oak sapling. But I don't have 5 emeralds. Alright, and let's sleep. Morning, day 244. I'll pick up some lapis, and I'll put the pickaxe and the lapis in the enchanting table. Now, I'll get this Fortune 3 enchantment. There we go, Fortune 3. I'm also going to pick up this enchanted book with efficiency 3. I'm going to put this on my pickaxe, my silk touch pickaxe. Wait. Where's my anvil? Did my anvil break? I'll make another anvil. But first, I'm going to mine all of this ore with my Fortune 3 pickaxe. I'll start with the iron ore. Let's see how much iron I get from this. This is a lot of iron. Alright, that's all the iron. I'll pick up all this iron. I got more than 2 full stacks of iron. I got 2 full stacks, and then 2 more right here. Wow. Now I'll mine this lapis. And finally, I'll mine these diamonds. Wow. That looks like a lot of diamonds. I'll pick them up. We got 36 diamonds. I'm gonna start smelting my iron in the furnace. Iron. I'll take this steak. I'm using bamboo stairs to smelt this iron. I'll take this iron, and with the iron, I'll make a new anvil. 1, 2, 3 blocks of iron. Alright, now I can make an anvil. And I'll place my new anvil on top of the furnaces. There we go. Now I'll take my silk touch pickaxe and I'll put it in the anvil along with this enchanted book. I'm adding efficiency 3 to the pickaxe. There we go. Now I've got silk touch, unbreaking 3, and efficiency 3. So this pickaxe will mine blocks much faster. Now I'll take my notebook and I'll open back up my notebook. One of my goals for this video is to find a desert. I want to find a desert so I can collect a bunch of sand to make TNT, and I need to find some cactus so I can make green dye for my Italian flag. So I need to find a desert. I have a compass, I have some food, I have some bundles so I can carry more things. I think I'm ready to go exploring, looking for a desert. Let's go. I'm going to pick up my raft. I'm passing by my 200 statue and my dog. Hello, dog. I'm going to place my raft right here. All right. I got on my raft and now I'm paddling in the ocean. I'm going to go to my settings and my video settings. I'm going to crank up my render distance. Let's go up to like 80. This way I can see a lot further. But my game might start running bad. We'll see. I'll get out of my boat right here. Ooh, I saw an Enderman. And I'll pick up my boat and I'll start running. I should have brought a bed with me. I didn't bring a bed. I need to eat. I'll eat some steak. Oh no! Creeper. Okay, I ran around the creeper. And now I'll eat some steak. Oh no, skeleton. Another skeleton. I'm running around the skeletons. Ooh, there's some coal. I need that coal. I'm going to mine this coal with my Fortune 3 pickaxe. Ooh! Is that dripstone? Okay, wait. I'm going to pause and go back to my settings. I'm going to turn this back down. Back to like 28. Place a torch. Ooh, there's more coal. Oh no! Die, zombie. Die. I'm gonna get my bow. And I'm gonna shoot this skeleton. Die, skeleton. Die. Die. Okay. Look! Dripstones! I'm going to pick up some of these dripstones. I'll place a torch. Wow. Lots of monsters in here. I'm gonna pick up some of these dripstones. And I'll also mine some of these dripstone blocks. Ah, so many monsters down here. I want to get 50 pointed dripstone. Do I have 50? I have 55. All right. Time to leave this cave. Die, zombie. Time to leave this cave and continue looking for a desert. Is it daytime? It's daytime. Yes. Let's find a desert. There's a bunny. Oh, they changed the way that the bunny looks. I'm getting pretty far away from my house. I think I'm like 1,000 blocks away from my house. Still no desert. Whoa, what is that? Is that a shipwreck? I think that's a shipwreck on the beach. Jump. I jumped over the water. Over there, there's a floating island with a tree. This isn't a desert, but there is a lot of sand here. So I'll get my diamond shovel, and I'm going to collect a bunch of sand right now. Ooh, over here there's some lava. Okay, I'm gonna pick up all this sand. All right, I picked up all the sand. Wow, almost 3 full stacks of sand. I'll get one more. There we go. Let's check out this shipwreck on the beach. Is there anything inside here? I see a chest. Let's open the chest. Oh, there's a clock. I'll take this clock. I'll put it in the bundle. And a treasure map. And some feathers. I don't need these feathers. I'm gonna keep looking for a desert. I need to find some cactus so I can make green dye for the Italian flag. I have 2 supporters from Italy. I need to build the Italian flag. There's more coal. I'll get a little more coal. I always need coal. The sun's going down. Well, I'll get back on my raft and I'll continue paddling. No cacti here. No cacti here. I'm turning my render distance back up. Back to 80. Well, I'm still looking for a desert. I'm now 3,000 blocks away from home. I just need 1 cactus. Just 1 cactus. I'll get out of my boat right here. And I'll pick it up. Here are some new trees. These are spruce trees. I'll chop down 1 or 2 of these trees. And I'll pick up some saplings. There we go. I'm picking up some spruce logs. I'll put these in the yellow bundle. And I've picked up 2 spruce saplings. So I can plant these trees back home. Oh, I think I saw a village. Was that a village? Yeah, it's a village. Okay. I can take a bed from the village. This is good. A village. Is there a bed in here? Any beds? No. Is there a bed in here? Here's a bed. All right, I'm sleeping in the villager's bed, and it's morning. I'm going to steal this villager's bed. Ooh, and also I need to turn back down my render distance. Okay, I'm going to take his bed. Thank you for the bed, villager. I'm leaving the village. Now I have a bed, so I can skip through the night. I need to find a desert. There's a broken nether portal over here. I'll open the chest. I guess I'll take the lodestone, but I'm going to leave all of this stuff. I don't really want any of that. Ooh, a beehive. I have an idea. I'm going to take my Silk Touch pickaxe, and I'm going to mine this beehive with my Silk Touch pickaxe. Look, now I can pick it up. I'll throw away this rotten flesh, and I'll put the bee nest in the yellow bundle. All right, I collected a bee nest. I've found tons of cherry grove biomes, tons of nether portals, tons of villages, but 0 deserts. Oh look, another village. That's like the 5th village I've found. 5 villages, but 0 deserts. Whoa, another village. Wow, there are 2 villages right next to each other. 1, 2. Oh, wait. Maybe there's a brewing stand in this house. Is there a brewing stand? Yes, there is. I'm going to steal this brewing stand. There we go. And I'll put it in the yellow bundle. I'm like 4,000 blocks away from my house. I've been exploring for an hour and 9 minutes, and I haven't found a village. Whoa. This village has spider webs all over it. And I don't see any villagers. I think this village is abandoned. Oh, there's another beehive. I'm gonna go collect that beehive with my Silk Touch pickaxe. And I'll mine the beehive. And I'll put it in the yellow bundle. Now I have 2 beehives. And I'll get back in my boat. And the sun is going down. I think I'm going to end this episode right here. If these videos have been helpful to you, the best way to support this channel is by going to my Ko-Fi page and making a donation, or by going over to my shop and buying some of my artwork. You can check it out by clicking up here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.